It is not necessary for the Philippines to change its policy or relationship with China amid the ongoing tension in the West Philippine Sea. According to political science professor and analyst Dennis Coronacion, the relationship between the Philippines and China is not that simple. There are many aspects included in the bilateral relations of the two countries, including trade and investment, which the Philippine government cannot ignore.
Kapagayan ngayon, may problema tayo with in terms of, sinabi mo, geopolitical issue on the West Philippine Sea. So, does it mean na hindi na mag-invest sa atin ang China o kaya puputulin na yung economic relations ng China sa Pilipinas? Well, ang sagot ko doon, tingin ko hindi. Kasi nga, hindi naman ganun kasimple yung ugnayan ng dalawang bansa. Meron pa yung ibang aspeto. Oo. Pero I'm not saying na hindi maapektuhan yung economic natin, yung goal ng current administration to increase or to sustain economic growth.
To resolve the issue in the West Philippine Sea peacefully, according to Professor Coronacion, the government should increase its back channel or diplomatic channels with China.
Kung meron man ako isa-suggest, is dagdagan lang yung mga back channels.
Okay.
Oo. O yung diplomatic channels. Kasi pwede naman, hindi naman porket nagkakaroon ng mga skirmishes. Okay, may mga ganyang incidents sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi na natin pwede i-explore yung back channel, for example, o diplomacy. In fact, all the more na importante yan eh.
The meeting on the Philippines-China bilateral consultation mechanism on the South China Sea is currently ongoing. This is a way for both countries to discuss the issue in the West Philippine Sea. Nel Maribuho, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.